Mastering quantifiers in English. How to use many, few, some, any, a lot of, with adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of quantifiers and learn how to use many, few, some, any, and a lot of, with adverbs. These little words can make a big difference in your English speaking and writing, so let's get started. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before a noun to show quantity. For example, in the sentence, I have many books. Many is the quantifier. However, did you know you can also use them with adverbs to modify the extent of an action? That's our focus for today. First up, let's look at many and few. We typically use these with countable nouns, but when used with adverbs, they can intensify an action. For example, he runs many times a week, or she rarely goes to the gym. Rarely is actually few times. Notice how the adverbs many times and rarely modify the frequency of the actions runs and goes. Some and any are also quantifiers that can be used with adverbs. For example, can you move a bit to the left? Here, a bit indicates a small amount. Similarly, I don't want to wait any longer. Any longer modifies the duration of the waiting period. Lastly, we have a lot of. When used with adverbs, it can express a large amount or frequency. For example, she practices the piano a lot, or he works a lot harder than his colleagues. Notice that a lot and a lot harder modify the extent of the actions, practices, and works. And there you have it. That's how you can use many, few, some, any, and a lot of with adverbs. As you can see, these quantifiers can give more depth to your sentences by modifying the extent or frequency of actions. Practice these structures and soon they will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to mastering English is practice, practice, practice. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.